Get some help.
Welcome back to Full Throttle Fred. Trying to say that 3 times fast. I am currently stuck in traffic here, as you can see. Beautiful weather, nice temperature. And what that means, you gotta get out for a ride. I'm meeting up with some friends, and we'll be going to what I suppose is the first meet of the season. I don't know too much about the meet. I just saw a post about it. I think it's really a car meet, but who's gonna stop us from showing up, right? It's all just for the enjoyment of gas-powered vehicles, I guess. And ever since I got more into motorcycles, I'm still a massive car guy, so it'll be fun. What is not fun is sitting in this traffic, though, but it shouldn't be too much longer.
Wait a minute. Disappointed! Stop it. Get some help. Stop it.
See you. Yeah. See ya. You too. Small meet done. I mean, it wasn't that small. Quite a lot of cars, some nice cars, a lot of European cars, some exotic cars too, tuner, you name it, and a decent amount of bikes. don't know, I probably saw 15, 20 bikes. That's pretty nice. Pretty good vibes there. Cool cars, and some cars had some heavily modified stereos. So it gave Fast and Furious vibes. Just the way that there's music, cool cars,